following takes place between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. Events occur in real time.
Put the phone away.
One more minute.
That's what you said 5 minutes ago. Now put it away.
Dad.
I got you the phone for emergencies, honey.
Well, this is an emergency. Fine. Now, how come you get to talk on the phone? That's not fair.
Life's not fair. Hello? Hello? Who is this?
Emily? Oh, are you okay?
Go, move! Take it! Everybody go!
Dad! 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 Dad!
Good! Let's go! Let's go!
Please don't hurt my daughter. I've got money.
We don't want your money, Mr. Latham. We just need you to fix something for us.